In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory and track items in Smartsheet. To get started, log into your Smartsheet account. Once you're inside the workspace, head to the top right corner and click the Create button. From there, choose where you want your inventory tracker to live, then hover over Sheet and select Table. Give it a moment to load, since creating a new table can sometimes take a little while. Once your table appears, the first thing to do is give it a clear name. In the top left area, rename it to something like Inventory Tracker so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you're managing multiple sheets. Next, you'll set up the columns. Smartsheet gives you 4 columns by default, and you can customize each one to fit your inventory system. Start with the primary column, double-click the header, and when the settings open, rename it to item name. If you want, you can also add a short description to explain what belongs in that column, then click apply. Now move to the second column, double-click the header and rename it category. You can add a description here as well, but the important part is changing the column type to a drop-down list. Turn on the option to limit entries to 1 value per cell, then enter the category choices you want to use for your items. This helps keep your inventory organized and makes data entry more consistent. When you're done, click Apply. For the third column, double-click the header again and rename it Quantity. Add a description if needed, then apply the change. Then do the same for the fourth column and rename it Reorder Level. This column is useful because it helps you track the minimum amount of stock you want to have on hand before it's time to buy more. After your structure is ready, begin entering your inventory data. Click into a cell under item name and type the name of your item. Then move across the row. Choose the appropriate category from the drop-down, enter the current quantity, and then type the reorder level. Continue filling in each row the same way for all the items you want to track. As you build this out, keep in mind that this setup is only an example. You can copy it exactly if it works for you or adjust it to match the type of inventory you manage. If you want to go further later on, you can even add automation to make tracking and updates easier. You may also notice a highlight option in the interface which can help draw attention to important information as you work. And that's it. You now have a simple Smartsheet inventory tracker that helps you organize items, monitor stock levels, and know when it's time to reorder.